Hello, in this series of videos I will show you how you can deploy a Python application into AWS. It's just one method how you can do it, because there are multiple ways how you can deploy Python application in AWS, and I will just show you one way to do that. Okay, let's start. Here is the Python application. So what this application does, it has a loop, and this loop executes the run function every 60 minutes. And in the run function, we just log a message which we take from the config file. Config file is our config.json. We've got here several environments, development and production. And also we have here username and password. Suppose we want to use it for some service. And we have a message which we want to log. In the development environment, the message logs development env message. In production, it's called production env message. We've got config service. This config service reads environment variable, which is called our AWS Python project env. And if this variable exists, then I take the value from this variable. If it doesn't exist, I use development. And then after it, I already take all values from this config file according to the variables which is set either in our environment or I set it in the Python application itself. So I take the parameters and then I log these parameters over here. Also, I've got log service, because when we put our application into AWS, we will have CloudWatch. And in CloudWatch, if you want to see logs in CloudWatch, you have to put your logs into a standard output. In Python, it's when you put something with print command. That's why if you have a look at our logger service, you will see that I put all messages into the app.log file over here, and also I print it into the standard output. It's over here. Okay, so and now let's have a look at the application log. This is our message, and now let me check if the production environment also works. What I have to do, I have, instead of development, I have to put here production. Let's start, and then if we have a look at the console, we will see that message is production env message. So the application is working, and the next thing what we're going to do, we're going to put our application into code commit, because yeah, I could put it in Bitbucket or GitHub, but let's use AWS services, and for version control, AWS has code commit. Okay, let's try it and see how it works. We will do it in the next video.